Do not forget to consider the cookie duration. The longer the cookie duration, the higher your chances of getting audience members to become buyers. On the other hand, shorter cookie duration also can be effective when it comes to the customers who have already decided to purchase the product or service. If you pick one of these programs, make sure you're targeting people with buying intent with your content creation strategy. In a minute, I will explain how the customer's journey becomes relevant to the affiliate marketing. The next step is to analyze the competition. Competition can be a good thing. The best way to find the competitors is to Google the search phrases that you would like to rank on Google. If other people seem to do well in a particular niche, it means that you have a good chance of succeeding too. Look into affiliate programs that are promoted by your competitors. Check the terms and conditions of those programs and join them. This can be one of the most effective ways to find good affiliate programs. Since your competitors are ahead of you in the market, then be careful of lacking competition in a niche. No competition may seem to be a positive sign. This could also mean that the niche is not profitable or people who have just tried and failed and moved on. On the other hand, if other people are making money in a particular niche, chances are that you could do the same. Then be aware of brand alignment and its reputation. Since you're creating your brand while promoting other services and products, be extra cautious about the businesses you choose to represent. Promoting businesses that do not align with your brand's vision and mission could make your audience doubt you and tarnish your reputation. It is also important to see whether the brand that you're promoting has a good conversion rate. This involves checking the sales page, whether they have a mobile-friendly design, and the reviews they have received so far. Ask whether you would buy the product as a customer. If you have chosen a few affiliate programs in the niche of your choice, then you should start creating content. Next step is generating well-optimized affiliate content. Any of the factors we discussed before will not matter if you are not creating high-quality content with a good conversion rate. Generating content for affiliate marketing is not as just adding affiliate links to a blog post. You should also help the audience to make a well-informed decision about a service or a product using effective copywriting and eye-catching design. Some features of affiliate marketing content that have higher conversion rate includes the types of content which do reviews of products. It's about 97% of customers check for reviews online before deciding to buy a product or service online. Then there's types rounding up of products. These are based on particular theme or category which directs the reader to relevant products or services. This will help you diversify your income too. Then there are types where comparing products. These are similar to reviews of products, but usually have products together and highlight their pros and cons side by side. This kind of content is significantly useful to orient your audience. Then there's resource page. This page consists of compilation of your favorite resources and tools. This page serves as a page to answer questions of your audience may have regarding tools you use. Though it may not be the page with highest conversion rate, it will help you to establish yourself as an expert in the niche. Then there are tutorial type of content. This type of content gives the audience chance to show a particular process step by step so that they can learn a new process or fix their problem. Then there's creating ebooks. Not all topics are suitable for email or a blog post. There are some topics that you need to go deeper, and for that you can use ebooks, and you can use that ebook as a lead magnet to build up your email list too. Affiliate content has many names such as commerce content and so on. Regardless of what you call them, you should include an affiliate disclosure to let the audience know that you may earn a commission if they purchase through your link. After you pick the format of the content you want to follow, you should optimize the page to increase its conversion rate. Basic conversion tips for newbie affiliates would be like these are some simple steps you can follow without using complicated plugins. First is the placement of the button. This is an example of the content that reviews product with a prominent button placement over the fold area of the browser. Next one would be using callouts. These are also known as text boxes. They are containing information read from other parts of the blog. These are used to show some compelling quotes, stats that influence the decision of the buyer's journey of buying a product or service. This is an example of a review of Elementor by Themile. A lot of positive reviews and a huge number of downloads are social proof that the product is great. Including comparison tables, charts, and graphs also would be a great strategy. Just like the quality of the content written is important, the visual appealing also important. So it gives an overall, try to give the readers an overview of the key points at a glance by using charts or graphs. This is an example of a comparison of smartwatches made for kids. Then you can use images. People tend to make buying decisions based on their emotions. The images that can convey a positive feeling within your content could make the reader become a buyer. It would be better if you could add images of the results that a particular product helped you create. Here's an example of makeup review in which a content writer displays trying out each product. Then using banners. Though banners can be helpful to have eye-catching content and stand out, they are also easily ignored due to the idea called banner blindness. People seem to ignore banners, therefore you may include them, but make sure you add appealing text links and features such as buttons, as these are more driven for conversion. Then you can use pop-ups. Though pop-ups has a controversy around being annoying, they could also be effective in grabbing the attention of the buyer and create opportunity for the audience to get discount offers or offers which are limited for a particular time. Then driving traffic to the affiliate website also important because it is crucial for direct your traffic to thoroughly picked offer. This is usually achieved by using blog posts, email, social media, or SEO. The important point is to reach people who are ready to buy a particular product or service, or to collect the email addresses of the content consumers to inform and educate them first before offering them products to buy. These are some of the best traffic sources you can use for free. TikTok, Instagram, Twitter, Reddit, Pinterest are good sources to get free traffic for affiliate marketing, but they require time to build an audience on these platforms. At the same time, more successful affiliate marketers grow their traffic by investing in SEO. You could reach people who are searching with the intent to buy by targeting buyer intent keywords. This is an easier technique to get clicks to your affiliate links to earn commissions rather than trying to pitch products to people who are not ready to make a purchase. Using email marketing for affiliate marketing is another excellent free source of traffic. Since emails are sent directly to the audience members, this allows members to be educated about a certain product via emails tailored for them, and this could help them to become buyers. Sharing limited time offers and information about selected lists of products will work well with the email marketing. Additionally, such emails will also remind your prospects about the top recommendations you have for them. Then it's about creating a basic affiliate marketing funnel. A funnel in affiliate marketing is a step-by-step process to guide a stranger from first becoming a buyer and then eventually make them buyers on repeat.